Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you how to get guns for Minecraft. And if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. I want to reach 15 subscribers before July end. And now, let's get into the video. First, open up the browser of your choice. Type in guns modern. Click on the first link or click on the link in the description. Then you're in the modern page. Come here, click on download, choose your version. Mine is 1.21.11. Choose your platform, could be Fabric, could be Forge, could be Neo. And then on here, click on download. After that mod has downloaded, we need to download another mod for this mod to work and a lot of mods to work. Type in Fabric API modern, click on link and press on the first link or click on the second link in the description and click on here, click on download, choose your version and then click on download again. After both of your mods have downloaded, close your browsers and launch Minecraft. While Minecraft launching, open your downloads folder. Leave it open, come to installations on the Minecraft launcher, choose your version that should be modded, click on installations folder, scroll down till you see mod, double click, and then just drag these two mods onto your mods folder. Close both of your files. You can finally successfully launch Minecraft. After the Minecraft has launched, click on single player, choose what you want to play or create a new world. Let's name it gun plus. So let's do create and let's create a world. When you come to your world, you can see that you have a book over here. This book recipes to create the grenades, attachments, clothes, and all that other stuff. And now, for our gun to work, we need an ammo and a gun. Let's see. Let's do dualies. Let's see, iron blocks, iron ingots, and 2 stone buttons. Put down the crafting table, and then you craft your like so. Get your gun. Here you have it, but you still don't have the ammo. So now we're gonna create an ammo. For the dualies, we need bullets. So let's see the recipe: gunpowder, iron nuggets, and then gold nuggets. Just gonna create them real quick. Here we have a bullets. You have 6 stacks of bullets, so that's gonna last us a lot. Now guys, when you shift and right click, it will reload your gun. Here is reloading. And just wait a minute. Just need to wait a few seconds. Our gun is loading. Here you have our gun reloaded. Now when you click on left click, you can just shoot these. Let's just spawn ourselves a pig. Do this. And a pig, we will have shot in the pig. And guys, if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope you have a great day. And don't forget to like and subscribe because I'll be posting some insane tutorials this summer.